Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the Three Amigos. We didn't have time to do upcoming, so now we're gonna go ahead and do his.
First, I got this My Partner Pikachu, Unified Minds, and Unbroken Bonds. First, I'm gonna unbox Unbroken Bonds. So let's check this out.
Check it out.
It's a pretty cool pack.
Mm.
Let me see. You can see the front of that.
Oh, that's cool.
Put that trash over there.
Throw trash away.
Well, that was really easy to open. Ooh, looks like we got a new one as soon as I open it. Okay, we got another one of these code things. We'll put that over there.
Yeah, later we might get it.
First, we got Ghastly, and then Sandshrew, Aaron, if you can see that. Tentacool. That's funny. Squirtle.
Squirtle, the old squirrel.
Wigglytuff. One of these purple energies. A Stealthy Hood.
Ooh.
That looks fun. Tentacle and Triple Electration Energy.
And guys, post in the comments if you want us to do a Pokemon battle with all the cards we get.
Yes.
I got all the cards now, Pat.
Okay, now we're gonna unbox. Let's put this over there. That's how much trash we've opened. Now we're gonna open Unified Minds. Jax had the same thing. It was just a different, bigger box.
Mine's a bigger box.
Let's check this one out.
I hope we don't get the same cards.
Yeah, me either.
Hey guys, I'm gonna open the other pack, but we can't show you because it's the
What
same
other packs do
one.
you have?
This.
Oh yeah. We'll update you if there are any new cards in there.
Yeah, there's probably is.
Wow, this one's hard to. The other one was easy. This one's hard. Hey, Amigo 3.
What?
Can you open this for me?
Yep.
Thank you. Stay tuned to check out this My Partner Pikachu. And we'll check it out.
That was easy.
Thank you.
They're the exact same.
He is like a little bro.
What is that?
Is like a stealth warrior. First we got Maruna.
Wait, I can't
Brogy, come here.
What?
Second we got Pikachu.
Pikachu!
My
Pikachu.
favorite.
We got Pikachu.
I wish I got.
Woohoo!
I got Pikachu. I wish I got.
And now
Pikachu.
Bidruff,
I'm the only one that didn't get Pikachu.
Cosmog.
But I might get lucky and get Pikachu in this.
That is Cosmog. That was a lucky Pikachu find. And Magmar.
Magmar.
Maluta.
It's a shiny as well.
Gizla. I think. Comment down below if you know the name of this, guys. But that is a shiny. It's kind of shiny and it has 140 health. And I think this is a ice or a water energy.
That's like more of a. That's neither. I forget what that is. It's like a dark energy.
Boostlicon.
It slipped.
Oh. Misty's Favor. And the last one. Not Owl. And another one of those.
We can't see it. It's upside down.
That is not. And that's all the Pokemon cards I got.
Yeah, no.
So thank you guys for watching the Pokemon card part.
And now we're gonna look at My Partner Pikachu.
Pikachu.
And then I have batteries, so.
But it will still be cool. And we might update it and see if it doesn't have batteries, we will update it when it does have batteries.
Yeah, we'll put batteries in there.
Okay, got that part open. Came with directions, of course, I have to come with directions. Jesus, thing's a beast. They take these things on like crazy. So here's the directions. I might look at these, maybe not.
I opened my other pack and it seems that we got another colored coin, a blue coin.
Oh!
Mhm.
Okay, guys. Here is my partner Pikachu.
What?
Pika.
Guys.
Guys, it's Pikachu.
My favorite.
That's cool, guys. If you guys like Pikachu, comment down below. Whoa! He's like lightning. Let's rub his head. Pika!
Guys, if this video, wait, we still have to do the cards, remember? Those, here, the codes.
Yeah, we will do the codes, and
Can you go
I
down?
love this Pikachu. It's pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching my
The
stuff.
first code, I don't know if it's right or wrong. It's upside down.
We got a lot of codes, so
What the,
okay.
okay, here's the first code. If this is wrong, try it the other way around. No, this is the right way, I think. This is the right way, yep. Try it this way, try it the other way around.
The second
The
code.
Pokemon.com TCGO, the code unlock online reward.
Okay.
Visit this. That's the first code.
That's the second code. It's pretty cool. Let's see. Here's the third code. Check that on online, I guess.
Pokemon.com/TCGO.
Okay. Here's this next code. It's pretty cool.
Wait, bring it back in and clear up. Wait a second. They're gonna sit down.
Okay. Let's see if we have any more codes. I'll get
I
all
think you
the...
have a code right there in your hand.
I know, I'm getting all the codes that I can find. I think that's all the code. Well, we got one more, and that's it. We got a couple more, and that will be it for the day. Okay, so this one is, here's this fourth code.
Wait. Okay, sit down now.
Okay. Now, here's that code.
Wait. I can sit down now.
Okay. Here's this code.
Wait. Okay, sit down.
Here is this code.
You sit down now.
Here is this code.
Wait. You can sit down now. Is that it?
And this is the last code. Thank you guys for watching.
The rest are new guys, but this
Wait,
is my first.
What were you? Did you get a code?
One of these.
Yeah.
Can you bring it
but
to us?
It's upstairs.
You can bring it to us real quick.
All the other ones are one of the all the other ones that I got in my first pack are ones that we've already got. This is the first one that we've got that we haven't got in that pack.
Gold though.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, we already had that one. Remember?
Oh no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then can you go get that? Can you go get that code?
Everybody say bye to Pikachu.
Bye bye, Pikachu. Wait, we're not done yet. We're waiting for Bungman to get those codes. Can I feel Pikachu?
Yeah.
You bring them a code? If it's the same, we're sorry. If it's not, that's good.
It's the same.
Okay, the last code of the day.
Yeah, I don't think it's the same. That's it for this video, guys. Bye.
Bye. Peace
Brooklyn,
out.
say bye.
Pikachu's saying bye to you guys.
Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.